Good morning. This is Nurse Ann. I am actually celebrating an important day this month, which is August 2022. As you can see, I am wearing my pink. I have my pink breast cancer awareness top, which has hope, care, and love. And I also have my, I'm all pinked out, as they say. I have on my pink pants, and if you can see my pink earrings. So today I am coming to you in hopes that you will join me in celebrating August, which is my 7th year survival 2022, by just planting a plant in honor of breast cancer survivors, or if you have family members who've actually survived any kind of cancer, you can actually celebrate by planting a plant in honor of them. Now, as y'all know, breast cancer awareness color is pink, and pink is one of my favorite colors. So you can, like I said, plant anything you want, but please send me a comment on my channel. I will hopefully, you'll see this on YouTube channel, and Nurse Ann the gardener. I forgot my name for a second. But let's look at my plants for just a second. So I'm going to switch the camera. And so you can plant a pink caladium that we've already talked about in previous videos. I also planted, just for my Cancer Survivor month, I planted a pink hibiscus in the ground. So you can actually do it in the ground. And we're going to talk about my little planting adventure here with my in-ground planting area, because I'm not finished. That's a work in progress, but I didn't want August to pass by without you seeing my plant for survivor, being a 7-year survivor. Again, in the ground or in a pot. Please send a comment to me to let me know that you actually joined me this month. Okay, we will be chatting soon. This is Nurse Ann.